Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how we can create an Instagram post with Canva. So you just need to open your Canva application on your iPhone, and then the next thing you need to do is just go tap into this plus button on the bottom, and you will be right away facing this two option of the Instagram things. That could be Instagram post and Instagram story. Tap into Instagram post if you want to create the Instagram content for your feed, and then just need to wait until the project is prepared. And now there could be a templates that you can use here, so you just need to find the templates that you want to use for your Instagram feed, and you just need to click one of the design, and the next you just need to change the picture with your own picture. Here you can tap into replaced, and then you just need to go tap allow access for your media just to set the permissions of the Canva. Make sure that you click the full access, and then you just need to go back into your Canva application, and then now you already got the chance to replace it again. Do the same things, and then you just need to pick the picture of you, and it could be automatically edited. You can also pick the other picture here to replace with the same, and then you can also adjust in the text here if you want. And right after you're done with everything, just tap into this and save it into your phone by PNG or JPG. Is all depends to you, and then you are done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.